Hi everyone, you're Joan, the know you're Crystal, and the know you're go call business page na. So you need to ha shai go mono go sa hai wo cho to ne cho len cho tu ha dia. Mono go mo I tung nang chu sai wo go sa cho lon to go hai lu mono thia lo mo khia min ji cho. Go lu la lo nyo to ho online space so Kulumbe Hua Crystal, Gu Yo Itu Biomedical Engineering as a professional. And then I also operate Gulu business no on the side here. So no no Gu Yo Sa Lo Donate Taminji Tia Kia Zo Gulu La Lua Hatia. Gulu La Lua no Ho Yo Ra Chi Tia Ro Ho Gu Yin Yo Ro Ho Gulu La Lua no To O Xiong To De Shima trong họ lu la luồn non nữ dây lu la luồn nhau đồ sổ hoa sổ chua sư kề cú xã hạt địa kia còn đấy rồi cho yo có cú mua result nhau cho họ cú lu business thia chỉ ta lên đó như chỉ là có yêu bảo hạt địa nữ bây giờ lu la luồn tranh thia yêu mà li họ kia đâu yêu chơi năng thia yo đâu khó địa yêu chỉ xã có yêu trong thua lo yo hạt địa lử tu năng nữa họ hay đâu yêu địa ô luเนี่ยla luồn chua sưว่าจะเนี่ยเนาะฮอมัวเชียโอโลนะหยอตัวขอเตียลูลาหลวนเนาะเนยอตัวโชโหโชโจซึเกอยู่กูมุ่นจิงชายเทียจิตาหาเตียยุงชายสิโลหรือตุนึงเหลือกุนชายอย่าลีอยู่เทียนะเกยลินออยู่จูโตมัวอยู่ลูชิเฮาลอมุกลูเฮาหรือลอมุเคียลูเฮาหรือเอยอเตียโถลูเฮาหรือนูเฮามูโตแล้วนะเกอยู่เคียลังตุโลอยู่ที่ลีจงเคียเทีย especially like you jane you jisako hatia you clear to lo e nu yo I to ke wo ne no ji jong lo yo hatia you ke to lo thia na ke you yo to tu mong ka ke you yo tu mo shi e shelu la lo no ho jong li ka na ke you mali mo peng su clear to so leng so tu thia so mono ku ho lo hai lu mong li no thia da shi ma cha pe ho mo jo mi ka lo ho zo shia ho yo salon to pe shai to ho lu la luồn nó thia she lu la luồn nó ho jong li cha thia na ke te jo ku yo to hai lu mi ji lu mi ka thia e ne no ko wo ho pe ho cho to ji ho te pe hai nang su ta shi ma lu hai nang lon to pe wo thia yo. So first of all, I want to say hello. My name is Crystal. I am a biomedical engineer by profession. And I am a digital business owner for 2.5 years. So I'm excited to have all of you here. And if you are tuning from anywhere in the world, please leave a comment in the comment section to let me know how far my live has been traveled. And if you have any questions whatsoever after we finish the all of the questions for my guest, if there's any questions that we can answer, we'll definitely get to you. And so as many of you know, I've been running my online business here for 2.5 years, and it has truly transformed my life. It's given me the flexibility and freedom that I've always dreamed of. And I know it can do the same for you too. And that's why, I want to share this today. So today I'm joined by an amazing business partner, Patty, who has been an incredible inspiration person into this journey. And Patty has an incredible story that I know will resonate with many of you guys out there. So she took the leap of faith to start her online business journey and hasn't looked back since. So today we'll be sharing insights, answering questions, and diving into this business and see what brings change into her life and see if it's something that can bring a change into your life as well. So whether you're looking for flexibility, financial freedom, or just an opportunity, I understand that starting something new is scary, and especially in the online space, right? So it can feel intimidating, but that's exactly why we're here today, to open up, share our experience, and hopefully inspire some of you to take that first step towards creating the life that you truly deserve. So here I am, and I will be bringing Patty onto the panel here so that she can introduce herself. So hi Patty, welcome. It's great to have you here.
Hi, Crystal. Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. The Nakuya Padilla. And I go by Patty with my American name. So I am, as Crystal had mentioned, I am a digital business owner as well. Crystal nurse 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 that's all that I know. So nurse and I am a mom. I have 4 boys, so and my husband, who is my partner, my best friend, and my whole supporter, although very skeptical, but he is my other better half. So,
Oh, thank you for the wonderful introduction, and it's great to have you here. I know many, this is like my first time going live on my personal page here, so I'm inviting you, and I'm really nervous on, coming here, but I know we both want to share this amazing business opportunity with our friends, our family, and anyone that surrounds us, because this business has truly been changing lives. And now that we are part of the story, I really wanted to bring you on and talk about it and share it with our community. So first of all, I wanted to ask you some questions, and cái cũng nông có cho question nó thế sẽ có bộ yo ba tàu bị cho audience thế sẽ lỡ họ mua lỡ họ bộ mua luôn nông lý cha nó lo mà lý họ ba tế cho lỡ thế. So one day nó của yo sản nông hạt địa thòng đây nè one day có yo lo ô lú la luôn nó nè có họ xả lý cha thế ta chỉ nó này có họ tàu lo ô lú la luôn nó lỡ có họ xả lý cha thế.
Li ko hai ma tho pi ma ku yin chi to sa hai te yo lo oi kho la lo ne yo cho kho li ku hai tho ku pi ma ku yin pai o ha le pai kan de owner su che. That's all that I know. Ku po hai te owner su te to cho ha le jong kho cho ha yu ne lo yin va hai te yu mu kan de xia mu che cho ha le che lo owner she yin mo kho ne sa na ti shi ta lu shong na lo che ku ne te ku jing ge ta shi ning leกูเนี่ยเจชิว่านี่เราชีตอนนี้นะจะเขากูยังให้มองแทนมีการชี้เสือโอเคอ่ะมีอย่างมองมีการจะเจไปยังว่าหรือชี้เสือโอเคso last year เจกูเนี่ย都崩底了崩底เจตัวมาชาเนี่ยดูป้าลู she had a brain bleedเจนูจีเซ็งลอลี่ so we had to ultimately let her go and she went on hospice so linh đầu theo lò của nè ta chỉ nên ta chế của chỉ từ mò theo của chỉ mò cancer no more stage 4 cancer and so at the same time của nè it was kind of weird because at the same time của nè một bu hormone nuôi của nè một bu hormone nữa thì ở nuôi của chỉ một bu hormone theo but they live in different states and sorry it's a little hard to kind of recollect the memory but they both got sick and they passed away within 2 months of each other. So, I took some time to think about, just not you have to low na ya. You ne you ti sia le, you ne pa ti ya le chi nya le, you have to low le, she, that's not you da you look kwa you oli ja. And ku oi the nurse ya jong cho ha ku mo za ha le kha ku mo to nya lo to ku pa ku chau ku lu chen heng te shi to ku ha le nurse ni na ku i mo do song le ku i pa he tia môn đồ rồi hay thì thôn ninh mò yêu chịu ở hơi lười yêu mò chỉ yêu chịu ở hơi lười tàu nhẹ rong thầu yêu rong xứ yêu thấy tàu hơi lười xứ thế chỉ thầu chỉ rong này yêu lấy cả yêu chỉ mò khỏi nhẹ là phát sớ yêu lúc chính này so I thought about that a lot and I worked a lot. I'm a manager so I am very flexible. I have a lot of commitments and a lot of obligations to hơi na have a lot of demands for me for my job and I love what I do. Ku pa lu homo I follow the safety program so một thing tí ya chi rong nó chế ku pa le li le cho tế mình nó to homo na so đó cho này lo u ha lu but it takes a lot of time ku yin ha lu li chế một thing chế ku lo cho chế cho mình nhớ tới hay tia you know 嘛把喺個要落咗啫，俾冇事就怕啲事，冇聽到啫，佢就要喺啲เนี่ยตัวก็มาลอเจ and they just stop asking แล้วพี่น้องตัวกูรอลีจ้านะเจเลยน้องที่สิตอกเลยเจเลยชินน้องเนี่ยเลยชินน้องให้แต่ใช่อยู่รอเจเลยบ่ให้แต่อยู่รอลีเจเลยจะต้องเขาสิอันตัวอยู่ then in order you mean to do shit 嘛就อยู่我一นู่นอยู่我สมอง都เห็น到อยู่เจ้าเขาเลยที่สิอยู่เจนอยู่ด้วยชิมว่าจะสิ很难到นะ so then we start to look online. I started looking to see what can I do online. What is there available that good? What the more la lo actually good what ba cho gu chen so I was on Facebook going on the I was on Facebook and I looked and I saw actually Crystal's ad. So and I was just inspired. I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, itu chai mo li gu tia, itu nia li gu tia. Nữ tôi oi cho họ lực khó thế này itu professional tia thì xin chuyện oi họ là lo digital business no. You know, she seems like she's very successful and I wanted to be just like her. I'm like, oh, I want another sister. I'm the oldest daughter in my family. So I always wanted an older sister. And her story just resonated with me so well that I reached out and I took the steps of registering for the webinar, which her webinar, they tell you all about the business. And after that, I was just sold. I didn't tell my husband, but I came into this business and after being business it's just I wouldn't go back so I think overcoming some of those fears that I had was just quite alarming just to kind of see where I'm at right now. So I don't know, did I answer your question? I kind of went off tangent.
Yes, no, like ยัง有一个还嘛都考的แต่เราก็ดันนึงเราหนูมุ่งจีจงชีสื่อที่เราขอเดียเนี่ยเราหนูต้องเสียถกกูมั่วกูโจช่องเทียหนูเจ้กูจีไปเทียกูจอหนูมั่ววิ่งยาวไปนะเจyou know ถกน้อยเจอยู่กูมั่วเจอยู่เสียเดียอยู่เนี่ยจะเก่งบ่ชัวหนูโลตั้งหมดน้อยย่อเดียอยู่จีว่าได้จีนะnhỏ cho nhà lầu mà bé nhỏ luôn đâu có cá mà tên lầu mà lớn cho tàu tên tú tên nhỏ rồi ta chỉ mà bé nhỏ cho luôn đâu nó là kề yếu có yếu 我后来一个就当然道理个啲股喏咯要投资好 retirement 啊要嘅了周末我你呢做9%咯要下9%咯2%所以你全每一波都有那嘅有只我哋自己有因知道呢咯都有也路天那嘅我哋個係哦對做因每一個咱能容易呀貼到可做好了我呢嘛你要 attraction marketing 那嘛你被到下啲你呢個嘢都能得為啲都能得你每一呀我呢容易個天那嘛個貼你嘢都能得個貼你保呢可 advertising 咯個貼攞到呢 so 路啦攞呢嘅你要你攞貼ยัง要你不啲係貼但是可冇到可 question 貼我呢อยู่ในนอนเนี่ยโถก็หลอดโหลุล่าหลวดนะก็บ่มัวจะเก่งใช้ที่วิหาเตนุยอีจะโหลุเนี่ยจะโชว์หัวโชว์ตัวซะนะหยอดเกอยู่ในนอก็หออลิกาก็ที่ลิจินใช้ก็ที่เลียเตียจะลิกาแล้วก็อยู่รออวจะขอเตียล่าหลวดนุม่วนนโตเนี่ยเราฉันโตนะหยอดแต่สิมาก็หอรอปอขอนอนะเจก็หอรอปีขอโหลุนอหรือเทียนะเจก็หอเคลียร์มินจีโจจะออเดียนใช้เตียยอวิลิกา
fears 因為我很猜你個係我 nurse 姐佢只保就係啲有我啦落嚟㗎啦，因為呢攞落地哇啲事要嚟車又要住真正呢兩個人，因為嘢學真正係可以攞做啦 ，so 我 business 嘛應該去學啲古英做I was like I'm always into nursing, so I was scared 古英真猜係就可以只保啲事要比要到呢嚟㗎，睇要個嚟㗎啦 ，but I think the biggest thing about Lula Lona is that they have all the training. Le mo cha training do you nyon the lu online thu yu mo shi ha tu che ka ma le mu tu lo sai thia. Ho chi yo lin da su so lu an thi che le mo pe ho hai the millionaire mastermind ya. Joy du Lula Lona then they joy do very successful no che le khi le te share khi le te chu yi lo ba pe kha pe ba che pe lu ja thia vi hai tia Lula noi mo and so I think more jaw support them from jaw weekly masterminds and I think just being able to connect with Gutu Mentor, connect with Crystal was really helpful to kind of to help me overcome my fears because and I think that's what's really great is that this community is really helpful.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I have to go through it. You can tell me all about it, but I have to like be in the moment. I have to 有個係啲碌記咯，個要冇碌อีลูกเกโรอีตุ้งนิ่งใช้ให้เตโอลูกเกโรมาสิกาที่ได้สิก็หันนี่ลูกได้สิกูนี่นอเท่านะกูนี่นอ I needed to get a taste of it. So I had to come in and get a taste of this business for myself. I had to show myself and I guess just really see it for myself and immerse myself in the business to really accept it and to understand it. So I think that's
Yeah, tôi khó tôi cũ lo nếu ý à thế tôi khó tiền cũ uống nôn tàu ya là rồi ya ta rồi nó chế khó tôi lo phải mua chỉ tàu khó tôi lo phải mua chỉ tàu chế yêu cũ thế lo bí khó nó chế cũ yên mua kiến chai ở để trả nó chỉ mua chân yêu giờ khi tàu tôi yêu chế năng lo yêu chỉ mua kiến chân yêu tôi khó hay tiền này nó yêu tới chỉ tàu mua yêu sẽ có tàu một chút nữa yêu họ bị tôi lo tết chế trái bên người yêu chế luôn sẽ nhẹ sẽ chia chế thầu nó chếอยู่ยอปาชโตแล้วที่นะเจขอนอกูที่ลีสาหัสเดียยกูมาให้ยันนุ่งขวเฉินโตชักก็ให้ตอโถกูรอมากูมัวโตลุลาหลัววนมูชิโตที่นะยอเจโถกูรอโตลุลาหลัวเนาะเจกูยังใช้เนี่ยนะเจกูยังนุ่งหลูนุนโตหัสเดียยอปูยอมัวจังยอจอออนไลน์กูยังเป้าหัสเดียกูสาโตให้ขอออนไลน์แต่ใช่มั้ยกูจีเป้าหัสเดีย我家古好莫看菜还得trả你chỉ mua chân cái cụ tụ chỉ lo nữa trái trái bên là yêu mua yêu cho nhẹ cho lo cho nó yêu cho nhẹ xỉa ta cái yêu chỉ tàu yêu cho nhẹ nó tới chỉ cụ hai đó nữa thì có chọn trái trả ở trong tuần đây nó cái yêu họ nông用cây là yêu họ ở chỉ tàu là cái yêu chủ tàu ở nó cái cụ thể li lọ ở thế nào yêu so họ còn này yêu ít họ và rong hay để yêu chỉ tàu xì cái yêu những chỉ bao hay để nó rong là chỉ rong yêu chủ tàu xì yêu chủ lo 我嘅嘛要貼你包下啲女不要一呀都有的可啲一個能攞到攞啦攞nó攞cho lỡ lọ bí ấy lỡ chỉ ô là nó mua trong thế này ạแต่สิอีคอจะจังจับเลยยอก้อนเชิญเจ้าเลยก็เชิญก็ถูกข้างก็ว่าเนี่ยเนาะเธอก็ถูกข้างเจก็เป้าจะรู้ละหลวดเจอยู่ยิ่งเหนียรู้ละหลวดเทียหยอกแต่สิมายอก็ชื่อวันเดเจก็ชื่อเป้าเทีย
ที่เขาภาษาเดียเขากูชื่อว่าอะไรหยอกอ๋อสองตัวได้เนาะกูรู้นิ่งเปิดโรงเรียนกู้ซื้อแต่โรงเรียนกู้ซื้อกูยิ่งชิมเจ้าเขาตื่นนะ but if I take this chance 要กูสิ要ให้เดียรงแล้วเจอ๋อสองตัวได้เนาะเป็นสองตัวได้เนาะอีหลีตัวได้เนาะกูยิ่ง保กูดูขึ้นมีจีดีให้เดียกูดูเกิดเจ้าอีข้ออีอยากเชื่อเลยนะหยอก就係要住個要住保就要住滿地ก็เป็นยอดของกูสิเจกูยอดของกูก็ตากูรู้นิ่งซื้อ so I wanted to move forward I had to find something that I know would take me to the next level. Whether that be eat those a lot, that's more than what I am doing today.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so 用你了讲能不弄嘛，了样下的你那要被我好了是给被我做弄多是，但是嘛要被你那摸一路啦路诶被开诶你好开都被能够 blossom 诶。เนี่ยเนาะนูเคียตาลีโตเปลอคอนเดเกเปลุนึงยอโตเปชัวเกเปยอโตเกโตจงยอเกเปเทียลีวอเนี่ยเนาะสาหะเตเปยอจูอวนโตยาเอเชนูปจงเกเปลุลาลวเนาะมานูจงอีคอหะเตนูเคียนงโกปลอสมองเปเจอปุจุโจเฉาตากีลอเปยังปอ result นะยอเกนูยังเจอหรือลุลาลวเทียโซสาเคียโตเนมินจีโจลินเดเทียรอรู้ต้นสีน้ำมูย่อว่าเนี่ยเนาะกูยังน้องก็หาเดียอีอย่าลีจอนนึงวันนึงรอชิเชียตัวเขาไปรู้ลาหลวดซะนะยอลินเดอก็จะรู้เคลียร์แล้วเทียว่าเนี่ยเนาะเช่าแล้วเนาะก่อนแล้วมั่วเชียเคลียร์แล้วรู้ลาหลวดเนาะเหนื่อยย่อได้จีเทีย
So like advice y'all. Yeah, let me come in here. Yeah, I think Tokun Lopi law again I was again fearful but เขาก็บอกจะลุลาหลวงเนาะแล้วแค่ก็จะให้เตียมัวได้ชีเทราชีไปลุลาหลวงป้าเชออยู่นะ is really the great community that we have so นี่ก็ให้ปะตาลอmore a lot of resources 你呀你 crystal 佢有佢冇得知咯，佢應到路到 crystal 所以 crystal 應該佢是因為是呀冇有一零是呢 there is a saying that what is it saying that if you want to go fast you go alone but if you want to go far you go with the crowd right 有時到咗路有一班嘅就一班參加就一個經濟有頓就嚟了喺有時就係呀有係呀把咩啦佢有三冇景就有冇到傾就可以係啲只冇得到把住只冇得到stop ก่อนน่ะก็冇ก็ตัว king สิก็冇เดินบ่ได้ยาวแล้วก็冇ก็จะต่อหรือตื้อเขายอก็ดอกอีป้าอยู่ชิป้าชิต่อนะอยู่มั่วจอดัว so I think that's really great what we have and that's what กูนี่น่ะกูอยากอีตัวเอกูเนี่ยดอกลัวชิถาโลดอกลัวอวพงอยู่โลจะอยู่พัดชิเธอto really just you know again just get yourself in a better spot in a better position and even along the lines of Belu community a ba shi chou xin ga no I feel like be yo i ba bin yo sin na cho nu cho ne lo you know we're all like just working and helping one another so a great community is what you want when you are you know joining any type of organization any type of business is that có đó cho nên a 我用到用这个到用天เขาก็ต้องจะnên a paying you paying complaints 这个因只冇เขา都因當咯 you know complain all the time so I'd say come join because we have a great community จะแต่ไปจะnên a nhỏ hồ lúc là nó nhỏ lúc đấy thì nó sư hồ đấy thì mình cả sư mua cho nhỏ Hoa Kỳ tế nhỏ Australia nhỏ Canada rồi mọi người đó hay nên that are willing to help and give you ideas and support and strategies to help 個啦亂nữa kia個種
Yeah ยัง有哩個係嘛都個啲nhớ cho họ biết luôn là luôn nó mà nếu chỉ họ hay là cú yêu có tụ direct mentor cú thì li yêu tụ ba tụ có này yêu cho có thể biết luôn community nó mà lỡ nhớ cho Philippines lỡ nhớ cho nhớ Latte lỡ cho nhớ cho lũ tế chờ lo yêu có ni ba tụ từ nãy chị lỡ những ba có solution hở thì lỡ những chú có thể solution hở chị lỡ cho chỉ direct from có lo lỡ tụ năng lỡ những ba dùng nó chị còn nó yêu ít khó hay yo có bí lũ ý giá chỉ thế chỉ ta đỡ ya li có mua mi tu mi nhỏ có chỉ mua là tu rõ mi nhỏ lâu có yo tàu rõ mi nhỏ lâu nó kia khó hơn nữa nó lo nữa rong đâu có thế so yo có trâu xe kia nó lo lú là luôn nó nữa nhưng yo mù rong thế có nhưng yo cứ tàu nhẹ chia thế cái bé ô hậu lũ hậu chế sự cái còn nó nữa yo ít khó rong chấp lâu hay thế rong bé nhỏ trâu giá cổ tế nó mà nó mua sao nó này yo cái yo thế lú là luôn nó mua tàu rồi thầu có bí lú là luôn nó mua tàu cái có chưa nhau chế sự cái có chỉ lại và nên nó trả lú mua em lum lúa ta li hết nó so lú là luôn nó nữa nhưng yo ít khó rong mua trâu lên nữa thế So the next question here is like lula luno manu cho community business owners nhớ cho họ nó nữ dân or nên nó mua cái ba bé hàng但是có bộ xã hay tiền nên nó nữ dân ít khó dùng thế
yo ít khó dùng chấp lời cái hay ta cũng need cho support we want to be around cho nên that are going to support you you know li pata ko hai thia lo pe mo cho weekly meetings na ya cho thui cho de pe lu ko ho he lu la lo no lo ke pe hai tia yo mutual orachi and I think it helps with your mindset ya li pata ko hai ya ko doi ban heng yo ta ta te pe su ji ta ta te jong na je ko yin chu mu de li ja la họ tới chỉ cái đó bán community cho nên mua lưu trú trong thia lực sát cho hay to better improve you to king so yeah if it's mentally or with fellow business they are there to help out at any point that you need chỉ là một crystal sư more all other sisters that I can reach you yes your crystal chi khong je you know go reach out to either sister either California you know we have sisters in California we have sisters in Texas so I just love I don't know how much more I can say about this supportive community
it's so global
yeah like yeah we are all sisters and brothers in this community so
Yeah, there only behind the being more geshi ba hen yo I tu zhe chi available lo being hu tao zhou lu tu so being yo de ho lu la lu no be yo I ba bin yo be yin yo nie be yin yo cai being yo bo ya li gu tie so yo lu la lu no ne yin wo ne no yo to nie ji lo to yu ha de có mua hậu liệu tàu lo có họ mua mình chỉ cho lòng một thèn cái văng cái chén cái nông cái hậu đấy mà lú la lúa nó chạy nếu như yo cho hạt địa có tốn cho có chín nè có họ tàu extra nha mua vacation yo thầu lú la lúa thì yêu tàu lỡ lo yêu chỉ mua hậu liệu lo yêu yang chỉ ni là thế đó có địa cho nhau cho họ bên lú la lúa nó lỡ số lần số tụ cho lỡ từ retire ta li tu neng go pe shong ai no nyo to ho pe lu la lo no ta shino lo no yang earn millions so thia so ne chon chai thia ne ho lon to ne la tu ho po u ko video no thia ho nhie thia no lo ho sai no thia ne no mà li ho khien nin ji thia na so còn đợi yo ye ko yo khien ni thia chỉ ta liên đỡ yo liên đỡ này cho nên won lo to ho lu la lo no e nu po e nu chai ha tia cha lu la lo no nu jong li thou u lo he na yo e ai gu tu ji ma nu tia yo có yo我个路啦路个嘛，个有做田野，个有做厨师，个都看，个只操操一叫 personal， 嘅做股嘅股因冇操股叫 401k 嘅。cú cho lo kia cái cú hạt để yo cú chỉ cho xe kia cú chỉ bỏ nhẹ gì cái New York chỉ và nên non chân cú này yo cái nhỏ cái New York li họ lo cho cú ít tu business partner là thế nào so yo li nó có họ xả hạt để có họ xả li cả thế có họ xả hạt để tin nên họ xả li cả thế
họ feel skeptical no ma yo I lo lu mi ka hatia I yo ho jong ya it's great because你個係 crystal 同個比望佢弄到多呀路 and that's good and that's why you 就可以要去弄呢就要jump into 一個 business 要知道多種呢 you know you're not really seeing I guess it's hard to see what that business is about and understand it to be able to make it work so skepticism manu encourage 被to 殺咗種樣係第一個話step no and you join no this is going to be the outcome of it helps you to weigh the pros and cons how you know what is good about it and how jong hai tia no pi lo la no hai tia li crystal hai you wa ha le nyo ha ti lo tao ho ku nye chan you ha tia ku wo to nya ku chi to mu da ka mu by to ilu ha mo che lo da ka mu sub company lo ko to nya na you chi mu mo you shi ho do lo na you lu shi he yin chỉ you lu shi he de shi zhuo you do you lu sa dong su jie that is really I think flexible and portable piece of lu la no is that you don't have to go anywhere you can go anywhere but you can take it but again back to the skepticism just be prepared you know no questions mo lu la chi lo no na cho họ bei shi ya hai tia yo lo hai khia da ro link tu na bei yo chọn nge mo shia sa bo lu ning ti tia giờ có chỉ tông ba lúc xưa hay tiệt cho họ giờ có đâu cũng tây rồi nên có sống ta nó nè tây rồi cũng chỉ tao chơi theo cho họ cũng mà I'm not in the mindset I wasn't at that point you know cũng nhớ cũng xin cái chuyện nhỏ nhớ bao nhiêu cái chuyện nhỏ cũng chuẩn bị ở chuyện yêu cũng chuyện ta xin mà chuyện tu cũng chuẩn bị ở sân so I would be very skeptical at that point because cũng chỉ tao bỏ họ I think sometimes đi lừa hại you stop bỏ có tờ nhẹ thế you stop bỏ họ hay tia you nhẹ you chỉ luôn nên ta xin nên lời chơi you chỉ mua lời tia là na chơi you lu bắt lu tàu lột dầu này vậy so I think and that's the big piece of lúc la lo nó hay tia how far you go is your why vì lý cha cái thế sao vì lý cha cái thế sao bỏ cái tụ kinh vì lý cha cái thế sao bỏ cái nên còn nói xong na you có sao thì là ô sao chỉ có là ô chỉ tê rồi có mà đi tàu nhá vì cái để cố gắng tàu qua cố định thua mùa họ lựa chọn nu you know cố định thua mùa họ lựa tàu không màu you know tiếc cố chính nhớ tàu chế tiếc cố chính nhớ tàu chế chỉ tàu cho là mùa chỉ tàu họ chọn nu mình để cho Friday nữa thì tên nu ấy rồi you sai cho là mùa you sai mùa cùng để không ấy lo tàu chơi còn đó này you mùa chỉ tàu cho họ you tàu mùa you tàu họ lựa you chỉ mua vacation time so you know skepticism is good. It gives you the opportunity to ask the questions and to really fully understand what you're getting into because that's a lot about you. So if you want to be great, you ask questions and you just really find out what it's all about and it's doing the research and understanding somehow.
Yeah, กูยังจังก็เทียมาตัวขอเตียถอกูรอโหลูลาหลวนออกมากูยังใช้กูยังนงชัวๆอย่าชัวๆรอลูใช้หนูปมัวจังใช้อยู่ป有คือตรงเนี่ย但是嘛头我家头工作了他打那给兄弟工作都 coach 他打给兄弟来你给你还路兄弟来กูมัว some sort of like 小路梦嘛你要还你家那有但是嘛กูมัวขอ connection 等着你นะ给during กูขอ coach and call นะเกกูยังถามหนูโตจีสมองอ่ะอยู่เกกูชักแล้วโหกูรู้นั่งหาเดียวกูย้อนตรงนั้นที่ถามเดมองตอนนั้นเกกูเกลิสาหาเดียวเกกูรอฉี่เช่นหนูจงนี่ใจเยถกูรอฉี่เกโซเล่นโซตูเลยมั่วเกป้าเราอยู่เกอยู่กูรออัวเกอยู่กูคือตรงเนี้ยเจี๊ยเทียอยู่กูอยู่ฮอจ่ออยู่เจนึงหมู่เกกูยังจังใช้ให้อ๋อเกกูหมู่ travel เกกูยังจ่อกูรู้สตรงนั่นนะอยู่trong khổ là của cho ở đó business mà có mà có chỗ mua tới sự mua cái trong này có những nô tư có những mua họ tư hay có mua lúc này là luận tới em nhớ họ lúc này biểu định là cái có phải ở đây có những mua vacation có những mua họ tư rồi có biết tông tiền năng rõ lúc này lan tới đi họ này nó chỉ tan được lo thầu và nhẹ chia tàu nhẹ chia nó lo có này nó có mua vacation cái có chỉ cho xía hạt thế con thì chỉ tông lên từ lò rõ có lúc là lò li nó kể thầu của mua vacation á của dân ra của lúc số tông của dân xì hạt lúc này là lò nó nè nếu nhớ được sổ hố sổ cho nè của dân muốn nữ xì có trông câu nè rồi ấy sẽ nữ qua hậu lửa trở đi lỡ chọn năng lỡ phân hạt lỡ ý xong nó lỡ tao nhiên tao bộ nó nè ấy của xì có trâu sẽ nữ qua rong nó của nè rồi cái thầu của sĩ cái nữ dân qua hậu lửa tao trơn cầu liệt khó qua lỡ hay đó của nó cái của muốn nữ của dân hành gia có thể của dân muốn nữ sĩ đông tao rõ cái qua cha của sĩ lo nữ phân work của sĩ lo nữ dân work này rồi cái của thiên lý thầu ấy nhé chia pin từ lo của nó là lo nè cái của cho chế tôn nông tàu của tôi chỉ hạt điều qua cha có cho chế tôn tàu tâm hồn tàu liền do bây giờ họ có lúc la lùa cái của mà hai đứa nữa để do họ của lúc la lùa但是嘛 you know 有人摸着警察嘅有人有到时有lúc la lùa sẽ nữ bộ rong trở lên nữa thế cái tôi oi của tôi kia tao oi chúng tao nó lời lo有人只摸本事老母他做有但是嘛老做中nó cái小有lúc sẽ luôn rồi nữa sáng nữa lý giải cái有họ老他kia đâu cho nên cho tụ cho họ tiền有还能有去啥bỏ了做nhẹ thế有人啥kia đâu lỡ hạt tiền lúc la luôn nó有的这个nó ở thế里老他nó但是cái của mua lo lu cơ或lo nông có này但是呢có từ bảo cho lúc la luôn nó thế có từ lúc la luôn nó daily nó là do lên nó có xã hạt tiền lúc la luôn nó này nhớ tổ trí xong toàn đây nó này rồi cho họ lỡ hạt tiền có khế lúc la luôn nó mà do có tao nhé ta xin tớ này cái do lúc la luôn đa rồi lo do hạt tiền nữ do anh chị có chỗ nhé lo do tên nữ sư ta xin nhớ rồi họ biết lúc la luôn nó mà cụ từ ô xe tao ó xong nhớ cho họ lúc la luôn nó là cái do lý nó có xã hạt tiền trở liệt khó có lò cho hậu lúc là lùa nó xứ có bỏ có tụ khăn trí trong tấn đây nó xứ nó có xã hạt tiền này trong đi chặt
ô hồi nó mà cuối xã cho hạt tiền trí trong tấn đây nó chỉ in có thôi yêu khó yêu nhớ ta chỉ nó na because你不大过还要个去 make if I did not make a change and take a step 被老公那样我要我估说估照后来人怎样的要係掉你全部股咗先啦，要全部股咗你自可能走咯，啲事要你全部股咗，而俾忙買呀，係呢嘅我可能市場嘅呐，即頭股殺咗係掉指數嘅啲咯，股咗可能一股整咗股咗可能都要，呀錯數嘛，兩隻pay raise 咗股，股應當 bonus 可能跳，咪一啲上那麼我係可冇得攞住我種咧，即股知道 bonus，I don't get anything, I stay the same. Here como sahitia my salary if I get a raise then that's good but I will never always social where the max pay for my job I will never reach so 至少當地呢佢盡量佢可 same status at the average rate and they would raise the max but I would never reach my max in order to reach my max pay it would be beyond 20 years to where I would reach my max unless my boss feels that I am worthy of it but yet again okay now you hit the max of your pay and of your position I would not get there oh my gosh you pay you and what if I can get or however much that you can get and more nurse quit and that is my goal for in which that I want to be out of my job for 5 years although I love working in nursing I love that strategy to make it safe but it takes away so much time from good family I will not be able to attend all my sons different activities at the auto school if I work hard I would be able to and from anywhere and at least be able to travel and come see Crystal whenever I feel like it
yes so yeah กูมากูยังสาลีก็สาเทียจะขอเตียถอกูลองกะรู้ละหลวนออกมากูจิโจเสียเขียกูรู้ละหลวนยอดอกขอเป็นสาหาเตียกูเจ้า后轮ตึจงเจ้านะเกกูตึตองเนียนดอง的กูเจ้า后轮了เก女人我到主กูจงเสียกูย่อหกูรู้นึง了ยังเจ้ากูนอเทียตกู后了但是嘛头古罗包路拉罗那给古罗贴到讲能你正经好路拉罗那有给古贴报道下的到路能龙呢路只要下的路我后路 company 是都好的讲nhau都好被路拉罗了我后路 company 了ยัง提起大了路只那有但是家头古罗我后路好那呢古嘛里报下的อยู่ว่าเขาหรือเนี่ยชงซื้อแกอยู่จวนย่อโตนอโตว่าโตมินจีซะแต่是嘛我家就能ย่อ的好รู้ละหลวเนาะว่าจะเราจะเจเราเทตาแล้วเนี่ยนู้มงยี่เด็กเธอแล้วว่าอีโจนึงแล้วว่าก็จีย่อย่อ但是俾人蒙俾全部顶我头俾着多鸟得头喏俾人话你喏话们更高哩了俾龙能样龙冇得更高哩了但是嘛你喏你错一呀他的我哩了系 freedom 哟freedom เนาะแต่เขามีการเนาะขอไปเขียไปรู้แต่เขาจอนใหญ่ไปเขียตัวรู้แต่เขาเนาะยังวิลิจ้ะรู้ละหลวงเนาะกูเทียบปอหาเตียจะเก freedom เนาะหนูยอจ่อโตอยู่ยอเนี่ยหนูยอโตเนาะอยู่จริงนั่นอยู่ยอเนี่ยมูอีรู้แต่เขาตัวอีรู้แต่เขาเราอยู่มูโตอยู่ว่าอีจงนั่นอยู่มัวอีจะเสียเตียเนาะ所以อยู่จี包หรือเตียยอแกกูยังสาหาเตียรู้ละหลวงเนาะแต่รอnữ cũ有做只熊了แต่รอnữ有只做只熊贴嘅แต่รออุลุนึงกูหอลง了贴soยังละตัวหอใช้มโน贴เนาะลกะจิมัวขอชาจิลยังมันนุ่ง贴เนี่ยเนาะหอป้าเนี่ย贴ก็有ว่ามัน了ก็ไปจงมงไปเสดว่าแม่งโอเคยอ嘅ยังลีเนาะก็บ่มัวรู้หายจี了贴
对就邊隻股係隻股係因為俾係切打呢個就是because more than though yeah it's so good about look la lona Crystal hello we've been 我考慮是這我考慮考的是要努力我知道呢呀 and I see this 股一般人都對多不好冇來到時我考慮個的是每天努力嘛都嘛都 heart attack 咯 mob 咯 master 咯這同的這nhiệt chỉ lo lỡอยู่มั่วอีทูอยู่จีว่าเขาหรือสิเจแต่เราอยู่ป้าชิโตอยู่ว่าชิโตได้อยู่แต่ตัวตาเจอยู่วิ่งชิมั่วขอเนี่ยที่ให้อยู่ป้าเธออยู่ตัวจีเขาเจเลยอยู่ป้าตัวอยู่นะเจถึงตัวเจยิ่งยั่วเขากลัวมั่วเป้าตัวมีอยู่แต่เจ who's gonna take care of my kids if I have a stroke and I don't want that to happen I had already missed out on being there for my mom and dad กูเนี่ยรอมอเทีย but I couldn't be there when she was sick I had to have กูตัว sister มูน้องหนึ่งยอเทียใช้ชวนนั่นนะ so I don't want to wait to the point where you ตัวมอเลยแต่ฉันอยู่มาเล่นเทียนะ you ต้องเทียเห็นบ้าแต่ฉันbecause you never know what tomorrow is going to be and we just have to prepare and I think that's the other piece I want to add is that รู้ละหรอนะยาถกมอก็ละเนาะว่าโตก็มอ pass แล้วก็จะมีหยอละโต and that you can't do with your job ก็จะเฮาหรือตาเจก็จะเนี่ยตาเลยเฮาจะเฮาหรือไปว่าละหรอเนาะยาก็ละหรอละหมู่จงก็มอหนูเบี้ยวขอจงก็มอหนู pass down แล้วก็จะมีหยอแล้วโตจะป้าหนูก็ว่าเฮาหรือเนาะ and that's the greatest thing กูเนี่ยให้กูจริงก็เสียชิมอได้ชีจะแต่กูว่าแต่กันก็มออีป้อรู้กูนะก็มอจะได้จริงก็มอสักให้เตียเธอกูก็กูมอกันเดโตเฮาหรือจง and I did that กูนี่โตซะเฮาหรือกูว่ากูเนี่ยกูจริงก็ job but I don't have anything. I started from zero. Everything that I earn now is really what I had to work for myself. So I want to be able to pass down this business to my kids so that they don't have to suffer and they don't have to ย้อนจากสอนเยนะ
โยมาต้องขอ next year 咯比啥的กูตู next year 咯กูตูจี你ยัง啥 retire early ยังนะ有เจ你ยังมุ่ง到 social security ถ้าเจแล้วเคลียร์เนี่ยคนเนี่ยหาแต่เนี่ยโตนะเจยังหนูมาเนี่ยยังยอดขอ six figure 咯แต่是嘛头木ฐาน到了หาแต่是了有莫里家了有呢นะเจแม่是เจ去做呢นอนะ有เจเนี่ยที่แต่是เนาะเนี่ยกูหลอนดอกกูเคลียร์รู้ละหลวนเนาะเที่ยเจเนี่ยเที่ยให้กูเตียก็เนี่ยเนาะ要做些เคก็รู้ละหลวก็เนี่ยเจียนดูหลอตัวตาลีเนาะนะต้องขอหาเตียกู有หลอย้อนะจะจิมัวเนี่ยเจียวันดูหลอตัวนะเจจิมัวกูขอเนี่ยนะสิเกเนี่ยหลอปัดตัวก็นะ so จงต้องขอหาเตียมัวรู้ละหลวหน่อยหอเขียชัวๆเลยเนี่ยเจียหอมดูหลอป้าสิเที่ยโอเคกูเที่ยลี有 retire ต่อหอยกู有ต่อsocial security 是给这种古也去走喏呢给讲牛了就有冇 college 了有冇跟到大有冇 college 也去摸年了哟 so 路啦路呢你应要你个还你应摸 generational wealth 还的头个哈我做很多了咯个都讲年里呢了有给有个哈摸生到都有对咪都咪有个了哈那到冇女人要用意思个主题只要罗是给了因我你那嘎龙了但是你主要个咪都咪有个多观察嘛了啲嘎哟给ว่าเดี๋ยวนี้ละตื้อมโนเนี่ยเฮาใช้เที่ยนี่เฮาเนี่ยจ้อยจะรู้ว่าฐานเที่ยเราทอก็เนี่ยเนี่ยเนาะปะเดี๋ยวเขาเว็บไซต์ยังโดนเที่ยเนี่ยเฮามัวรู้นงได้จีเนาะเราเนี่ยเฮาใส่นำตัวว่าเนี่ยเนาะตัวปะเดี๋ยวขอเว็บไซต์เนาะ so ขอเว็บไซต์นะมาเนี่ยเราไปรู้ละหลัวมานึมัวเนี่ยเนาะนึยรู้ automated system นึเขียซะนะเกไปรู้ system เนาะมานึ require ก็ว่าเนี่ยเนาะ sign up ตัวขอเว็บไซต์เนาะก็จอก็ลงไปขออีเมลเกนึกิลิซ่าอีได้วิดีโอตัวก็ใช้ซื้อก็ใช้ตา有个เนี่ยก็做些个啥我เนี่ยเนาะ保值เนาะก็มาเราเทขออีปุ๊บเราอยู่จ้ะก็เทขออีปุ๊บเราอยู่จ้ะเด้อเนี่ยเก็บไปมัวอีเกี่ยววิดีโอเทียจิตานเดี๋ยวเราไปเขียนจีเจ้ารู้ละหลวก็ตัวโตนะก็มาลีเจียจีเชียหาเดี๋ยวก็อยู่อัวละจีอัวยอก็จีอัวนะเก็บไปจ้องน้องเด้อยอก็จะเจียจี between ขอไปจ้องน้องเด้อยอก็เจียจีเดี๋ยวก็จีอัวเนาะหรอไปยังที่ก็ขออีปุ๊บเราอยู่จ้ะเด้อโตก็จะไปยังจีอัวอีสังนี่เนาะ so ขอนอนที่ลียอเคลียร์โตโตในส่วนเรื่องชัวตูหาเดี๋ยวยอในหอเนี่ยจ้อเนาะหรอเทอีปุ๊บเราอยู่จ้ะรอใช้หัวใช้หนูปุยอรถเนี่ยยอหนูเชียรถเนี่ยรอไปที่เนี่ยจะเนี่ยจะการรถเนี่ยหอยเนี่ยหอเหนียหมูเนาะรอไปมาลิฮอนรถเนี่ยถาต้นสีเนาะยอลินเดกูวันได้有หมูเนาะเกษาว่าโจโจว่าเนี่ยเนาะอีเจ้า viewers ว่าเลยกูรอใช้เนาะเทีย Hi Kia watching from Minnesota so ว่าโจเกียก็จะรอใช้เทียHi Lisa from Minnesota again. Wow. Okay. 我做了，我做那个
Thank you.
罗姆晒雨天。
哎哟 Minnesota solo. Where's my
Minnesota
Wisconsin people?
节目 Wisconsin 哩咯。
哎哟
watching from Minnesota. Yeah, 我做车嗰陣落晒雨天。嗰個落做路到雨天落用車嗰隻根據路時候天。係嗰種用車弄咯嗰陣根據路時候，我專門去落唔晒雨天咯。我做到啦。你可摸得住咯，你可因為弄雨天。目標就好 comment section 你摸得住咯，你咪弄雨天。Thank you for sharing, so inspiring. Okay, 我做嘅啊，我做人你可摸路弄得住天，你可撒幫子那咯，上到多做雨天，因多人用些有把你出嚟做雨天個，俾有一種夢個，俾個種人落咗好咯，個俾佢書巴天，俾佢摸咗幾書抽天又嘅。有你nói有你mua của xã trí nó là nên tu bỏ đi khó website nó thì so nhưng mà register find out sẽ nên bốn nhẹ thế nào cho nên nhẹ nó là nhưng mà lần cho thì dùng xe khó live cái này cho nó so li nó sư cho nó nên số lần số tuổi nên là sai lửa nên lửa gió giờ thì mua xe hở nó lỗi mà li họ là thản gì thế so cho nó nên số lần số tuổi cái này nữa
Good night, 我知道啊，谁知道啊？